investors, our investors, or investors who invest in frontier markets or emerging markets or beyond frontier markets, understand these risks. Okay? That's actually what attracts them to Iraq. That there is a risk perception, and the risk is mispriced, right? So when they come to a country like Iraq or others, you know, with a lot, where the mainstream news media is always negative, right? They get attracted because they want to see what the world might be missing. So they're contrarian, you can say. There are all types of investments and all types of theories. But most of the people who come here are contrarian. They're looking for niche markets. They're looking for higher yields. And they're looking at the positive side of Iraq. Again, you have a country here with practically very little debt. 30 plus million people, average age, the 60% of the population is below the age of 20, and we might be, you know, second or third country in hydrocarbon reserves in the world, right? Plus, we have other things such as, you know, Mesopotamia used to feed the world, okay, if not the region. So we have good agriculture that could be developed, and you had, as I said in the beginning, we had now almost 30 years or 35 years of zero development, right? So we're starting really from the bottom. Right? Many investors who come to Iraq and look at Iraq, or they ask me, what should we invest in Iraq? I said, well, that's a very long question because you can invest in everything. The shorter question would be, what can I not invest in, or shouldn't I touch in Iraq? And then everything else is fair game. Today, there are very few countries positioned in like Iraq that the growth in the next 5, 10, 20 years is quite big, quite expansional, right? So the ones who are coming to invest here, they're trying to get in really at the bottom floor of this investment and then ride the wave, right? And there are different appetites for risk, different investments, different appetites for risk. So these guys start, they sell it to the next batch when things are less risky, and then they sell it to the next batch, and then we go up until we reach some kind of an investment grade and much larger, people with very small risk appetite come into Iraq. And that's the thing.